Like now, where this one they go now, they don't there very urban. Okay, from the very urban they go reach a way high. From a way high, they go reach Umegbe. That Umegbe, they already complete the bridge, but they never do the road reach there. From there, we they go to Bebo. From there, we they go to Ibikbe. From Ibikbe to Ogiza. From Ogiza to Ugogogi. And also the village just stay good.
We are driving you through the road. We want to see if anybody is working here. We want to see if the contractor working on the Ulemo Road, working on the Ewodia Road, down to Babizwa Farm area, down to... I'm sure you know the road. We want to see. We were here 4 months ago. We want to see if they've abandoned the project or they are still here. We have seen... This is a new one. When we came here the other time, they had not reached this point. This one has not been tarred, but the groundwork has been done. We want to see if there are contractors. Oh, they are here. We can see heavy duty vehicles are here. We can't go further from here. Oh, they are here. Look at this one boogie, the excavator and everything. This is great. This is interesting. This is interesting. Guys, we told you don't take the construction sites. These are the guys, they are working seriously. Well done. This is interesting. These guys are working. It's about to rain. The rain is drizzling already. It's drizzling already. As we speak to you, it's drizzling already. And these guys are here working. Meaning, rain will not stop them. Rain will not stop these guys from working. Farm area, these guys are working.
Yes, we have our program. Yes. We do not expect even rain to stop. Even if rain, it has been affecting some scope of work. We have another program that we made during the rain. We still have something in front that we can concentrate on during the rainy season.
It's about to rain now. And you are here.
Yes. That is stop because we have our raincoats and other kits that we can use during the rain.
Wonderful.
So we don't take our work for joke.
Wonderful.
So so far the government is showing commitment, yes. So automatically we have to appreciate the government by pressing very.
What is the total kilometer of load you are working on?
8.6.
8.6. That's okay.
It's after Umegbe. Yes. The road is going to go Ekewa.
Yeah.
So there is another contractor that is taking that.
Yeah.
So the two of us, we get the point that we are going to meet.
Wonderful. Yeah. How many kilometers have you done so far?
We are for the asphalt. We have done about 4 kilometers plus. Then for the stone base, we have done up to 5 kilometers. And for drain work, we have done tremendously well in the aspect of concrete work. We have done nothing less than around 8 kilometers of concrete work of a line. Then we have done several covers,
Yeah.
rain covers and bus covers.
Yeah.
We have done a bus cover 2.2 by 2.4, 2.2 by 2.2 twin bus cover across the river. So we have done exceptionally well. We are just justifying the commitment of the governor, Monday Okpebholo. So we appreciate it a lot, and even the community themselves, they really appreciate it. They appreciate the kind of work we are doing because I think many people have lost hope on this kind of project, most especially when the last government has left power. So it surprised a lot of people that His Excellency Senator Monday Okpebholo will continue the project, and the community, they are very, very happy about it. Because the governor have, I think he has observed our work, he has observed our commitment, and he knows we are up to the task. So he's continuing with us. Appreciate.
We told you Edo State is a construction site. You know, we are in June. This is June. The last time we came here was about 4 months ago, around February, about 4 months ago. We're here. We saw the work they were doing here around Egodia, Ulemon, Oveyoba, down to Bobiswa side, farm area, and down to Ekenwa Road. Now this one is leading to Ekenwa Road, and this other one is still leading to several communities. The other time we came here, the job was interesting and appreciative, but we can see development has come all around this area. You can see filling station is springing up here seriously. You can see this is leading to Ekenwa Road now, and the job is ongoing. And I asked myself, the places I've visited today, some of the road projects I've visited today, they are all working. We actually came here to see if we will meet the contractors on site. We came here to see, will these contractors be on site? Oh, it's been 3 months, it's been 4 months we visited this project. Let's even try and see if the job is ongoing. It's possible they have abandoned job. It's possible they have abandoned job. We came in here and we saw the level of work done, and that these guys are here working. The rain is not even a determining factor. Oh, they are no longer working because of the rain. Oh, they are no longer working because the governor, there's no money to pay them. There's work going on in Edo North. There's work going on in Edo Central. There's work going on in Benin City. There's work going on in several places at the same time. And there's money to pay them. They are working. All the places we've been to, some road projects have been completed. All the places we've been to, guys, we have been there again. They are all working. Nobody has abandoned job. Nobody has abandoned work. They are working. The point I want to raise is, before Governor Monday Okpebholo became governor, did he tour Edo State round to see the nature of road, to know the immediate attention, to know where to start work from? I have seen government in this state, when they came in, they organized retreats. 6 months, 1 year, they are still studying the books. They are organizing retreats. They are organizing workshops. They are traveling. They want to travel to China. They want to travel to Thailand. They want to go to, they just want to explore. Before they then tell you the second year to sit down to say they want to. Someone told me that the first day the governor resumed office, he was sworn in, he started the construction of a primary school. Some other places said the first day, the first week, the governor came to flag off their road. I mean, the question is, Mr. Governor, You didn't even wait for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. The amount of work, the level of work, the level of work going on in this state. We started this project going around Edo State for the past 4-5 months. Work is still ongoing. Heavy, serious work is ongoing. These guys are still working here. Ulemo Road, Ewodia, Ovevioba. That everywhere there's work. They are working. As we speak, they are working. Rain is about to drop, but these guys are working. How long have you been here? Okay, now what about you? They forborn you, and I hear you there since. How this place be before? When a few person before.
But now it's okay now. They are working in the front that side.
To Ewovoba, they don't reach Ewovoba.
And from this road go now, they are very over.
Okay.
So they from that side they walk.
They walk quick level.
They try.
They try back.
They try.
When they start to do this road? Last year, this year.
Last year.
Last year.
Last year, because this one they said well, from that side reach here, that half there. Now the computers from here this there, so that they tie all that side they go now.
Okay, this one now they go Ekema now. This road they go Ekema now.
Just that army checking point. Now they just go jump. That's Oholo.
Oholo, okay.
That's Oholo.
Then this one they go straight to where now Gelgele.
Yeah.
This one
they go to Gelegele. You get many villages for that side.
like how many?
Okay, like now, where this one they go now, they don't there every Urbana. Okay, from every Urbana they go reach a way high. From a way high, they go reach Umegbe. That Umegbe, they already complete the bridge, but they never do the road to reach there. From there, they go to Bebo. Or there they go to Igbikbe. From Igbikbe to Ogiza. From Ogiza to Ugogogi. And also the village just stay good. Before you go reach Okwa. If you reach Okwa now, you from there, you will fit turn around, come out for Ekema Road again. And they are still working for that side now.
Oh, they are working for Ekema Road side. They go Gelegele.
This is Trasaco.
Satraco.
Now they get that side.
Okay.
Now let this one be whether na Ministry of Works or contract. Now they do this one.
The Ministry of Work.
There are somebody who they go here the vacation.
See, okay, see development don't come here. See, don't be filling station. They be filling station. Look at development. This one is a filling station. This one. Okay, now
get all.
Okay, now I get all. This you know they here for about 3 months ago.
You know they talk yes. The fast will not go up to 24.
No, this filling station not there 3 months ago.
Never take the start of the fast.
This is interesting.
They don't build wood corner when they want to road.
Yeah. So how will you describe the governor now?
The governor.
Yeah.
The governor na talk na do now. He try. He try. Except he not hear the formation of say see wetin dey happen. If you say anything, say the thing dey happen, none endure it. We use that word it was. And the way they do the road so, not be by fasting rules, make the rush and make the come out. It not be like that. They are doing solid work. I see now. All these gutter where they see so when they follow the corner they go so. They dig the ground past the gutter before they start with the field. They go. That means they are doing a nice job. I trust them.
True, you see them.
Yeah, I see them. I'm not here with them. Anything where they do for you, now here with them. If you even go flood now, you go jam there for them. May go by see the work where they are doing there. I like their job, bro. I not feel like for you. I like their job.
God bless the government.
You try.
God bless the government. This is interesting. Look at this place. Clear down to the river. Wonderful. Solid work, solid construction here, down to the river. Look at the width. Look at the width. Look at the width down to the river. Down to the look at it. These projects are for forever projects. Forever projects. Look at this.